Good morning, everybody. Future red. Let's see what's going on. We had weakness in ES yesterday, and as usual, recover up and then maybe same again. So this is becoming normal. Every day, a little bit red, a little bit green, and then goes up again and repeats the next day again. Market is a little bit in fear from rebalancing of last week, so that's why there is still some weaknesses. Today we have Fed Chair Powell at 9:30. That's gonna be interesting. And then at 10 a.m. we have Jolt's job opening. That could have another big effect on market. And that's pretty much it for today. And then tomorrow, Wednesday, we have FOMC but no Powell. And Thursday market close and job report on Friday. So anyway, ES went down. 15 is up. 30 MACD is a little bit curved up, but in general, 4 hour and 1 hour is pointing down. Daily MACD is still in the dead cross zone and dead cross mode. And as you can see here on the monthly and quarterly, we are still very bullish on the ES. NQ 15 golden cross, 30 1 hour, 4 hours still pointing down. One daily MACD is dead cross. Very bullish on the monthly and quarterly. These I changed these to monthly and quarterly. This was my usually my 1 minute and 5 minutes. I changed them to monthly and quarterly because I want to see the MACD and TTM squeeze on names. So yesterday we got the first new bar for July and the new quarter. So that's interesting to see how they are. Dow Jones getting a little bit less bearish than ES and NQ. RUT, RTY, nothing exciting. Yesterday was very weak compared to other names. DXY, uh, 4 hours golden cross yesterday, but right now it's showing weakness on the 15, 30, and 1 hour. Still very bullish on daily and weekly, so if it breaks this top of the range, gotta be cautious, especially on techs. 10-year was very strong last 2 days, but today is pulling back a little bit. Daily is still very bullish upward, but pre-market 15, 30, and 1 hour is pointing down, and we just got the dark blue bar on the 4 hour TTM squeeze. VIX yesterday was very green, went red, maybe does same again today. Um, Daily MACD was dead crossing yesterday, but with this green open right now is diverting up. So we'll see about that. But this one is a little bit scary. One monthly is kind of flat, but once a golden cross, gotta be cautious about it. We had some incidents that had a golden cross when it had jumps like this, but then again pulled back and diverted down. So not too much to be scared for now. Um, SPX. Let's look at SPX too. SPX monthly and quarterly very bullish upward. BTC very up yesterday. Daily MACD is upward. Um, but it's just inside the range. Once it breaks 65k or 60k, it's gonna get interesting. For now, it's just inside the range. ETH, 4 hours is kind of flat. If it dead crosses and breaks the bottom of the range, not gonna be good there. Apple was very strong yesterday. 4 hour got a golden cross and it was running up non-stop, but market is weak today. Monthly MACD is golden cross, quarterly is upward, and right now so 216.23 and 214.49, two key levels to watch. If 216 pass, we're looking at 219 and 221. Below 214 can go to 213, 211, and 210. 30 and 1 hour MACD is dead cross. It's possible to have some weakness at open, but because it was very strong yesterday, it's high chance if market bounce up, this one can be one of the good one to go up again. Amazon showing a lot of strength in market, monthly and quarterly very bullish upward, quarterly even a golden cross upward, and 1530 is um, showing pointing up. 1 hour same. If the 4 hour MACD golden cross, is gonna get really interesting. Note that the weekly MACD is still not golden cross yet. Once that confirms, it can go even bigger. So watch 199.16. If it passed that one, we are looking at, man, I changed this to quarterly. Now it's gonna be hard to find levels. So 199.16 pass. We're looking at 202, 205 next major. Above 205, we're looking at 210 and 216. Nvidia was very weak yesterday, but as usual, there is a lot of deep buyers for Nvidia, and as soon as it opens, it went down, and then deep buyers step in at 218 support level, and they got in. They got in, and market reversed up, and semis tried to reverse up, but in general, be cautious because this name, um, daily MACD is pointing down, and bars are decreasing. Soon we may have a red bars on the TTM squeeze, and weekly you can see here we start getting dark blue bars. And look at the last time we got dark blue bars, what happened. So you will see. Again, 122.76 if you can hold it, 120.24, 118.868. Need to get up, if it runs up, 125.26 is a key level for running up to 127. Um, AVGO was very strong yesterday. Very bullish on the TTM squeeze and monthly. So 1642 is a key level to watch. If breaks that one, 63, 80, and 96 is next major level. If it can hold 1625, can retest 1617 and 1609. Coin. But coin was strong yesterday too. So, but it's all up to BTC. If BTC runs up, we're looking at 233, 233. Past that one, 237, 241. 4 hour very bullish upward. Daily MACD is curving up, so it's all about 240. Past that one, can go for another bigger run up, but it's all about BTC passing 65k. Otherwise, the yo-yo can continue there. Netflix getting close to the earning. Earning is on, when is the earning? 718. So 16 days from now, not too far. So 2 weeks from now, we're gonna have Netflix, and right now daily MACD is dead cross. As you can see here, monthly and quarterly are very bullish upward. It's very close to all-time high. I was expecting to hit an all-time high, but so far it seems like um, doesn't have that power. So 1663, 663, if it can hold it, 656, 649 can come, but every time it goes touchdown 663, it bounces back up. It's inside the box for now. Once it breaks the top or the bottom, then we can have a fly up. 690 and 663, those are the two key levels to watch. Breaks either one, bigger move can come there. Meta, still waiting for Tesla. Meta very bullish on monthly and quarterly. Weakness started on Friday and went down more lower on yesterday, but had a little bit bounce up. So if it bounce up again, 501, 503 is a key level to watch. 503.98 if it passed, can run up again to 507, 511, 514. But in general, right now, 4 hour MACD is pointing down on the TTM squeeze on MACD. So again, if 499, 497, if it can hold it, can run down to the lower level, next major level, which is 491. Let me just show you here. Details level. Come on. Put this quarterly, so it's going to be harder to find the levels. Alright, almost there. So yeah, this one 497.67. If it breaks again, 495, 493, and 491. Tesla, still waiting it. So hopefully the result comes in before this video finish. So I'm still waiting for that. We'll leave it at the end. Microsoft. So Microsoft new all-time high, very bullish on the weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Made a new all-time high yesterday. It was very interesting. As soon as it opened, it dipped, and it drive up just non-stop, and it was a new all-time high before close. But right now, two key levels to watch for today is 453.89 and 457.51. If it breaks either one, can make a bigger move. Let me just fix this one again. So key level to watch today is 457, 457.51. If it does break that one, can go anytime if it breaks this week. Next the targets are 459 and 461. But 453, if you can hold it back to 451.65. Below that, lower levels are 449, 446, and 444. It's very bullish on the run, but a lot of time gets pulled back, so just gotta be cautious on this name. But right now is the most valuable company. Google was very yo-yo yesterday. Key level to watch is 182.15 and 183.02. Breaks either one, bigger move can come. Need to break 181.62 or 183.88 for bigger move. Otherwise, it's just gonna be inside the box for yo-yo. Pre-market, not clear signal. 4 hours pointing down, 1 hour near dead cross. It's possible to go down, then maybe bounce up again. So we'll see. We'll see about that. And AMD was very weak yesterday. As soon as it opens, boom, dumped, and then it did some recovery, but still this name weekly is still very bullish, very bearish. Daily MACD was near golden cross, but again diverting it down. 4 hour got a dead cross, so the weakness continues there. 154.67 if you can hold it. We are looking at 151 level to come. So once it breaks 151, it's not gonna be good. I personally think it's possible to go to back to 120. That was the levels that they had on the AI day, that event, that the last event that it had before the big run up. Monthly is a little bit curved down, still very bullish though, and quarterly kind of flat, but it's still very bullish upward. So we'll see. SMCI, SMCI daily MACD is that cross, weakness is there. It dumped yesterday, and then it did some recovery. Bring the levels up here. So key level to watch for today is 807 and 793. If 807 pass, 830, 853. If 793 again breaks, we're looking at 777, 761, and 752. Yeah. So this one, just keep in mind, the still direction is down on the 4 hour and daily, and also weekly. SPY. So let me change this to 5 minutes. I need wasting time there. SPY 542, 542.04. That's a major level to watch. If it can hold there, we're looking at 539, 534, and yeah, those are the next major level. But if it runs up again, 543, 547, those are the 545 and 547 next major levels to watch. General direction is down on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. Once you see 30 minutes and 1 hour MACD golden cross, we can run up again. QQQ. This one, 479.88. If it passes that one again, 481, 483. If 478.78 can hold it, back to 476.31 and 474.1. What else you got here? ARM's weakness continues. Daily MACD is dead cross. 4 hours pointing down. 156 if you can hold it. 154.72 next major. Yesterday it opened and it dumped, but it did some recovery later. 154.72 if you can hold it. 151, 148, and 146.82. Need to pass 158.66 and 161 for run up again, but keep in mind daily MACD is pointing down. MSTR was very weird yesterday. It opened up not too big, so but BTC was very green. But usually when that happens, open a little bit big, then it continues going higher from open. It jumped at open, but then weakening and went lower. So far right now they have 226,000 BTC, which is worth like 14 billion, but the market cap right now is 24 billion. So there's a 10 billion difference. And a few months ago when BTC was like 40k, the BTC that they were holding was like worth 10 billion, and the MSCR market cap was like 11 billion, less than 11 billion. So the total value of the company was less than 1 billion. So there is a big difference. Like there is the BTC they have right now is 14 billion, but the market cap is 24 billion. So people paid a lot for the future run up on MSCR, so that's why there's weakness in it. But we'll see. We'll see if it gets bullish again. For now, direction is down on the 4 hour daily and weekly. And 1331, if you can hold it, maybe goes more run down. 1296, 1274, next major. Below that, you go to 1170. PanW, all these cloud stocks are very strong. PanW, but 4 hours dead cross. Yesterday wasn't that strong. So 337 if you can hold it, 334, 331, 328. If it passes 340 again, 344 and 348.78. JP Morgan made a new all-time high yesterday, but then right now market is weak. It's pulling back a little bit. So if it runs up again to 8.08, that's the next key level to watch. Snow got an upgrade yesterday. It was a nice run up. 4 hour we're getting a dark blue bar. If it runs up again, 142.39 is a key level to watch. 144.49, 147.88 next major. If 141.1 can hold it, back to 139 and lower level. Roku was jump up at open, but then it pulled back. General direction is up on daily and weekly. A 4 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar. So key levels to watch is 61.36, 62.67. Breaks either one bigger move can come above 62.67, 63, 64, and 65.44. If 61.36 can hold it, back to 60 and lower level. MDB continue going higher. 1 hour MACD is dead cross. 4 hour and daily is still upward. So maybe some rest and pullback and then continue up later. Supports are 258, 254, 252. Need to pass 261 is strong for 264, 268, and 273 to come. ZS need to break 200 to get interesting. That's a mental level. Once supports are 193, 191. Once it passes 197 and 244, it can run up to the higher level 202, 206, 210. What else you got here? That's pretty much it. Tesla is still not out. Yep, that's pretty much it on the major names. Um, will be released in the next 20-30 minutes. Okay, so Tesla, I have to see what's going on. Let me change this to 1 minute. So if it runs up to a 775 is a key level to watch. Then if it passes that one, we're looking at 210, 214, 219. If 219 breaks, next major levels are 232, 237. I'm sorry, 219 pass. Next major levels are 226, 232, 237. If it goes for fly up, I saw some 240 calls for August coming in yesterday. But again, if 203 can hold it, back to 199, 197. If 197 can hold, next major levels are 189, 183, and 177. Um, if it goes up good, we can continue going up crazy. But if it doesn't, it's possible to have a weakness, go down a little bit, and maybe if not today, next few days, if at some point it will have a bounce up again or run up again. The in general is very bullish, even if it has a bad delivery report, it's high chance does a fast recovery. If not today, next few days, and it can go up. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a lovely day.